Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial I would like to show to you how to make a split text effect on Canva application. So now first you need to insert an elements and then use the elements as the color of the text. So for example I will add a gradient color, this one, and I think I'm gonna use this gradient color, this one. And after that swipe left the toolbar, then open the apps that's called font frame, this one. Then click the image that you already export before, and then click the use selected image to make it to be a background, to make it to be a color of the text like this. Now we can adjust the position of the color. Then after that add to the design like this. Now you can delete this gradient color that you import before. Now you need to adjust the size of the text like this one. Wait for a moment. Okay, and after you adjust the size of the text, now we need to swipe left and then click the effect, and now you need to add a drop shadow effect, this one. And for the blur you can decrease it to 15, this one. And for the angle I think I'm gonna use this onto 50. And for the intensity we need to increase it to 100 like this. And after that now you need to add a shape to make the text look like has been cut. Go back, you need to add this square shape like this. Now you need to adjust the position of it like this one. Now change the color of the shape onto white color, and now as you can see the text is already split, but I think I will adding much more effect onto this design. Now we need to download the text like this. Okay, and then click done, downloading it. And after you downloading it, now you can delete this design and then add the design that you already saved before and adding it to the page like this. And after that, wait for a moment, let me adjust the size of the frame. And after that we can duplicate the design, this one. Oh sorry, I almost forget. Click the design and then click the Magic Studio, and now you need to click the BG remover to remove the background from the image like this. And after you remove the background from the image, now you can see that this image is already text. It's only a text like this. And after that now we can duplicate the image and then adjust the text on the frame like this. Then make sure that the position of the text, the white strip on the text is outside of the frame like this. Okay, and after that click done. Now you can see the result and your text will be look like this. And on the original text you need to do that too. So cut it and then adjust the position and make sure that the white spot is outside of the frame like this. And now you need to adjust the angle of the text like this and make sure it's straight. And after that, now you will get this result. As you can see that the text is already split, and now we need to add a text onto this text design. So go back to your toolbar, add a text. For example, I will type tips like this, click bold, and then change the color. For example, I will use this color. like this. And now click the text, add an evec. Now we'll add this evec. Then after that, positioning the text like this, and adjust the length of the first text design, this one. Now click it, click the text design that you are adding to the page, and don't forget to add a shadow. This, decrease it, wait for a moment. Okay, body angle decrease to 50, like this. Swipe up, intensity increase to 100. And after you finish, this is the result that you will get. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.